back from the tire shop, and not gonna lie, this is a 245/30/20. This is a 245/35/20, and wow, just the two sidewalls were going. Any comparison right in the back. Just comparing them right here. Look at the big difference. Like, dude, so that means I really got to get the 35 so they can all be the same. But like I said, these are already on the way out. And what a difference. I'm just going to start them on the front and see how. Alright y'all, so that does it for the new tire install. It's 4 ways, some little cheapies from Amazon, you know, while they say for some wheel, the tires. I like the fitment, a little more meaty. I hope that I don't feel the bumps as much. But don't forget to comment, subscribe, share your favorite videos from this channel. Hit the like button. Let's get this channel popping even more. That way I am motivated to do more content. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video.